Nice and tasty Bilimbi Ginger Curry Recipe, a must-try recipe for rice lovers. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 4 pieces of jaggery, add 20 round chopped bilimbi, 1 cup of water, close the lid and cook for 2 whistles on high flame. After 2 whistles, switch off the flame, but don't open it now. Keep it rest for at least 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we can open the lid. Everything has cooked well. Keep aside for later use. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it sputters. When it starts spluttering, add 1/4 teaspoon Fenugreek Seeds. Keep it low flame and add 1 inch size chopped ginger, 4 chopped green chilies, 1 spring curry leaf. Mix it well. Serve it for 1 minute on low flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Then add the cooked bilimbi to it. Also add 2 teaspoon Kasmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook for 7 minutes on medium flame until we get thick gravy. After 7 minutes, switch off the flame. Our Bilimbi Ginger Curry is ready. Serve it after 30 minutes for best taste.
Please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.